Morning, 9 a.m, Benidorm, and I think I'm about the only one right up here on Levante Beach. So normally I'm not up that early, but there are some changes going on in Benidorm, and that's what I want to talk about today, and also want to show you guys. Fort Jack's has closed, it's moving to another venue. A bit further on, the Tipsy Jockey has opened this week, Saturday actually. And now another bar is closed and reopening soon again, actually tomorrow, which was the $1 Million. And yes, it's gonna be Rover, what is it? Wild Rovers, I believe. And we're gonna have a look. It's on the strip, right opposite of Jumping Jacks, so we're heading there. But I thought weather is too nice not to start right up here on the Levante Beach today. Really love it. The ocean nice and calm. It's around, 18 degrees already. It's gonna go up until 24 today, so stunning day we've got in the forecast for it. There we are at Tiki Beach, and that's where I'm heading towards the right down there. Until then, I got a little bit of peace to walk around here. Love it like this. Some guy down there in the ocean just went in. I think he's gonna clean up that trash. Really good of him. Unfortunately, not everyone does it while there are still plenty of bins around. Let's head towards Tiki Beach and then continue from up there and see how the progress is going with the extended venue they're doing. Tell you guys a little bit more about that. And of course, while I'm on my way towards there, don't forget hitting the like button, really does help promoting my videos out there. Thank you guys. And if you aren't yet, please don't forget to do subscribe. So, Tiki Beach, they bought over the venue next door. I believe it was something like the Bananas Bar or so. This place is gonna get even bigger. It's early, but they're already at work over here. Doors are in, as we can see, toilets, new ones down there inside. Not much to see for now, but let's head on towards the strip and then see how the $1 Million has turned out, because it's going to open tomorrow already. I believe it was only closed for just a few days. Most bars are still closed. Red Lion, Brit Station. And I'm not thinking I'm going to see many open. A bit further more towards the back. There we do. And by the way, it is St. George Day today, so happy St. George Day, everyone. Don't think we're going to see something from that right now. It is a bit busier in Benidorm, but nothing extreme or so. Not something like Paddy's Day or the fiestas, which we have in November. All's getting ready, getting cleaned up. And a lot of restocking happens every single morning. A lot of cleaning as well. Streets getting pressure washed. I'm gonna head towards the other side. Don't want to get wet while he's pressure washing the street. Got the Marina Hotel, and most of the time I've been walking by here now, since they've renovated their terrace. This place is mostly empty. Don't know if it's about the prices or maybe it's just me. Wrong timing every time. Maybe it is filled up a lot of times, who knows. But that is my opinion when I walk past here. Not that much going on. From here on, the strip gets a bit more alive. More breakfast bars, which open early up. Planet Benidorm already having customers in. Let's go. Can already see some mixed signs down there on my left. Show you guys in a minute what I mean. First the Yorkshire Pride down there. Oh, just fill that. Rovers return. And then the newest one, the $1 million or the Wild Rover. Yeah, not much we can see. I believe it's just going to be a re-theme like they did with the gold dollar bar. It's going to open up tomorrow. Jumping jacks, no one yet, but this place fills up really fast when it's a little bit sunny already out. So let me know, the Wild Rover Irish pub with karaoke as well. There's a new sign of it on there. Still got the $1 million bar sign out there. Think that's gonna be removed. Hope it works out. $1 million wasn't there for a long while. I believe it was around there 2-3 years. Not that long. Rockstar.
Yeah, say yeah, the mind will believe you. Say yeah, the mind will believe you. It's a powerful thing.
And yeah, that is actually where the strip ends. Hope you guys enjoyed this morning walk down here through Benidorm.